Number 58, perform the indicated operations. X over x squared minus 16 minus 8 over x squared plus 5x plus 4. Now, in order to add or subtract two fractions, we need to have like fractions, which means we need to have the same denominator. So, in order to find a least common denominator, we need to factor these denominators. Now, x squared minus 16, when you factor x squared minus 16, you get x plus 4 and x minus 4. So we'll rewrite this left fraction here, and instead of x squared minus 16, we'll write the factored form of that. On the right side, on the second fraction, the right fraction, I have 8 over, now I'm going to factor this. When you factor this, you're going to get x plus 4 and x plus 1. Notice x times x is x squared. You have 4x for the inside terms, 1x for the outside terms. That gives you 5x, 4x and 1x is 5x, and 4 times 1 is 4. So when you factor this, you get x plus 4 and x plus 1. Now we're going to figure out how to get a least common denominator. And to do that, we're going to look at this right fraction here. We're going to look at the left fraction. We're going to say, okay, I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to say, what is missing from the denominator of this? In other words, what do you see in the denominator here? Now forget about the numerator. Don't worry about the negative 8. Just look at the denominator. What do you see over here that I don't have here? Well, here I have a what? You notice the x plus 1? Do I have an x plus 1 here? So if we try to make these denominators look alike, I'm going to put an x plus 1 here and here. Okay? Put the x plus 1 there and there. That'll make this look more like this one. Okay? Now let's go back now. After we put the x plus 1 here, now let's look at this right fraction here. I have x plus 4 times x plus 1, but on this left fraction I have x minus 4, don't I? I don't have an x minus 4 over here. So if I rewrite this with an x plus 1 on this one, then I want to put x minus 4 over here. Now notice I have an x plus 4, an x plus 4, I have x plus 1, x plus 1, and I have x minus 4 and x minus 4. So now my denominators are alike. So write one fraction, copy down this numerator, x times x plus 1, and put that here. Copy down the negative 8 times the x minus 4 and put that here. Alright? Now, rewrite this. In other words, we make two fractions into one fraction. That's called adding like fractions. Okay? Combine the numerators. Let's simplify this numerator now. Copy down the denominator. I have x times x is what? X squared. I have x times 1. Okay? Negative 8 times x. And negative 8 times negative 4. Negative 8 times negative 4 is a plus 32. So if I combine plus 1x and minus 8x, I get minus 7x. So when you add these two fractions, you're going to get x squared minus 7x plus 32 over that common denominator.